Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we have 24 hours to go before doomsday. Either my portfolio is going to be at $1 million or it could be near zero. Not completely zero, that's a bit of an exaggeration, but I think you all understand what I'm saying. So in 24 hours, we have the biggest unlock so far, even bigger than the first set. And this is the set that could take the stock SpaceX, we're talking, down to 50 bucks. Is it going to happen? What do you think? Well, I have made the biggest bet ever. I have put $1.1 million into SpaceX. I started with $5,000. I use margin. This is all of my money, everything. Let me show you. Use my face look to open it. Oops, a daisy. I don't want to share my password on the screen with you. I'm trying to put my face in. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's come back to that. There you go. Started with $5,000. I'm now up to $899. We're just touching $900,000. I have made a bold prediction by tomorrow close to be at $1 million. Not by putting money in, not by borrowing money, just by simply growing my portfolio tomorrow. Will it happen? It's got to go up 10% tomorrow. Is it possible? Can my portfolio literally grow 10% tomorrow and make me 100 grand in one day? The biggest day ever. Well, is it possible? I think it is. Every institution, 900,000, 99 to go. I think every institution in the world and every bank in the world thinks it's possible too. But every social media influencer, not influencing anybody other than themselves, think it's not possible. In fact, they all think it's going to 50 bucks. It's all going to crash down. Now, I too agree that we do have a crash coming in September, October, but I actually think SpaceX is going to be the winner. The whole market can go down, including SpaceX, but I think it will bounce back above the S&P and everything else that we've made money on over the last year. Just to give you some qualification to all of this, if I go back into my what is going on this morning? Right, I've got to stare in the screen. Okay, let me show you. If you look at the S&P this year to date, the S&P has done 11.9%. It's okay. In fact, it's below average. It's not an impressive number. It's below average. Nothing great about it. Everybody will tell you in the government that we are the best year ever. Everything's the best. It always goes up, the S&P, over time. It's not a great year. It's a very below average year. And with the rate of inflation holding and oil on the brink of going up dramatically again, the war intensifying, the debt crisis, just about every other reason we can imagine, there's nothing great about this year. That's the numbers. That's the facts. That's not an opinion. That's not up for debate. That's a fact. So what have I done this year? Well, if we go to my portfolio, I have done 53% in 1 year. Scrub that. Year to date. Year to date, I am up 53%. Not one hedge fund manager, Tom Lee, Michael Saylor, Warren Buffett, no one. No one has come close to what I have performed this year. Nobody. And I've done it without options. I've done it without shorting the market. And I've made no money on crypto. In fact, yesterday, I got a big crypto scare. A huge crypto scare yesterday. Didn't like what I heard at all. We'll talk about that later on in the show, perhaps. So it's a huge bet. I've done well so far. I've made 300 grand just this year over my overall position. You're only looking at one position here. There's the Roth IRA, the ISA in the UK, and the Robinhood UK as well. All four positions make up the $900,000. I'm all in 100%. Now, yesterday, I bought back into crypto. I felt it was the right time. I felt risk to reward was good yesterday. I really did. I really did think yesterday risk to reward was good. And I even explained to you, if crypto goes down, I can actually buy it back up to $500,000, sell the top lots, get a tax loss against all my gains. It's actually good if it goes down. Actually good if it goes down, so I can buy lower and then use it as a loss. But if it goes up, then I'm in it as well. And that policy and that principle stands. I like that. However, what I didn't like was what I heard from the conference, the crypto conference yesterday. What I heard yesterday was infighting. I heard Brad Garlinghouse swearing at people, and I thought, you know what? This is rubbish. I don't like this space at the moment. Yes, can it make money? Yes, can it go down lower? Yes, can I get a tax advantage? All kinds of reasons to buy crypto. However, I think I can make more money with SpaceX. And I would like to be in crypto. Give me an excuse and I'll buy $500,000 of XRP today. Give me an excuse to do it. And I will. And I know it'll be tough. And if it goes up today, because I believed it was going up. I genuinely believed it was going up, and we're up nearly 1% today. But that's nothing, of course, in crypto. I had a good feeling about crypto yesterday, but that presentation, not just from Brad, from everybody else during the day, was rubbish. Everyone arguing with people, everyone fighting with people, disagreeing with people. It looks like a Ponzi scheme where everyone's fighting over something. No one disagrees with anything and agrees with anything. And that is a problem. Whereas when you look at the Mag 7, when you look at all the top companies in AI, they're competing with each other, but they all are singing from the same hymn sheet. They all believe AI spend is a good idea. They're buying and spending with each other. They're friends of each other. The crypto space has become the Wild West. It's become a zoo. And everyone's scrambling around to try and say what they're doing is better than everyone else. And if it's all regulated on the blockchain, surely it would all kind of be the same thing. But no. And when I heard that yesterday, I thought, I don't feel comfortable in this space at all. Remember, I always said, would you hang out in the worst bar in town? And right now, it genuinely feels like the worst bar in town. So I decided to stuff it. Turn the studio green, and we're making money. Now then, some of you may have joined today for Discord application. If you joined today because you've applied to join Discord today, let me know in the chat and I'll tell you and give you all the information that you need. Is there anybody here today watching who applied through Discord to be here today to get onto Discord, to get all our trades 24/7, access to our community and all the rest of it? If you are, let me know in the chat and I'll tell you the next steps, because there is only 1 hour a day you can join Discord. Well, it's 2 hours, 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon, so it covers everyone's time zone. All right, so if you are in that camp, if you are waiting for that, so let me know. All right, okay, in the chat. Let's have a quick cup of tea. I'm here for the Discord, Steve. Okay, great. Thank you, Steve. So you must have applied then on Discord. So I'm now going to go to the applications on Discord. Let me see if I've got any fresh ones, and I will start the application process on the hour. On the hour for 1 hour. All right. So you've got 20 minutes. Let me just see if I've got any new ones just come in. I don't think so. I think I've replied to everybody. We have a really tight structure for this now. There we go. Right. Okay. Everybody has got the notification about today's show. So in 19 minutes from now, everybody that applied or everybody that wants to reply will get their next message. Their next message will tell you that you can start the process right now, okay? And I will give you the link and you will reply yes or no. If you reply yes, your hour will start. 1 hour, one time, one chance to join Discord. It's a very exclusive club. It's full of whale investors and some small family investors as well. But we protect it. We win. We do stage events. There's no AI, no bots, no commercials. It never goes up in price. It's just a couple of bucks. We give it to you. We donate it to you. And that's how it works. All right. So we'll come back to that on the hour. All right. So, yes, everyone can apply. It's pinned to the top of the chat. There is the Discord there. There it is. And it'll open in 1 hour. You can apply now, but the 1 hour countdown will start on the hour when I give you your invitation to join. Okay. Now then, let me just read some comments before I carry on. Let's have a look. Good morning, Luke Shoyers. Good morning, Slim. Right now, everyone saying it should go to 200. When too many people say it'll go 200, it's that the market says no. That's not how the market works. It's not like it's not how it works at all. Anyway, Brian Bynum. Good morning, family. Hello, world. Hi, Liz. Good morning. Good morning. Good day. Good day. Trader Rose. Bitcoins. Craig. Chart says nope. Chart doesn't know nothing. The chart is history. It's not the future. Check out Moderna stock today. Thank you, Humble Hendricks. Good morning, everyone. Starlight is here. Corpus Vichy is here this morning. Afternoon, Martin and everyone. That's Mark Potter. Ascend Improvement is here. Good morning. How are you? Zaxite. Happy dump pump Trump date pump. What? Eh? Aaron, good morning to you. Starlight is here. RB, my mate, is here. Good morning, Martin, Brian B, Zay, Zach Zay, and to all. Nonny is here this morning. This Way Def Gaming is in the house. Exit is here. Graham Woodley, I can't understand how you put 1.1 into SpaceX and you're at $900,000. Yeah, that kind of is a bit weird, isn't it, when you think about it like that? Well, the point is I cleared the margin and reduced the position. So that's what I started with, 1.1. I then used margin to find the bottom. When it went up, sold the top lots, kept the bottom lots. So I'm now at $900,000. So I hope that makes sense. Sorry, 990. Is it? No, it's 900. It's 900,000, not 900. I wish it was 990. I'd be there. Anyway, no, 10% would be 999. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Press the, where are we? Is better than inflation. What else have we got here? Is Groish, good morning to you. Dalish, oi, oi. How you doing? Peter, how are you, Peter? Yeah, I would like to join. Okay. The link for Discord is in the chat. And it's pinned to the top as well. It starts in 15 minutes. Let me go through the comments. Good morning, Liz. So, Martin, when are you getting some meta? Well, I've made more money. There's no whales. Well, you're not in Discord, so you don't know what you're talking about. You're talking utter nonsense. There's loads of whales, big investors, entrepreneurs. You'll see the big whales in this channel here because they will donate memberships to you. They do it regularly. We've got lots of high wealth entrepreneurs, business people in this chat that actually support and help this community. To say there's no whales here is like saying the world is flat. Maybe you're one of those people. All right. You can say what you like, but it doesn't make it true. It doesn't make it true. Okay. All right. So may I apply? Yes, you may indeed. I've given you the link. Hi, says Daddy Pascal. How are you? Liz is here from Germany. How you feeling, Martin? I'm feeling well. I have some sad news, though. I have some sad news. I broke my fast this morning. I am drinking tea with milk. I went 2.5 days. Sunday night at 7 p.m. I started and I ended Wednesday 7 a.m. So I've just stopped my fast. It was too difficult to focus on SpaceX, the audience, what I'm trying to do here. It got a little bit too much. 4 days. So unfortunately, I broke the fast this morning. I'm drinking tea with milk. I haven't eaten really yet. I had a plum. That was it. I lost 3 pounds. I feel good. But I'm now drinking some tea with milk. I've had a plum and I broke my fast this morning. I'm sorry I couldn't make it all the way through until tomorrow night. I just felt really uncomfortable this morning and I just couldn't focus on work. So I decided to do that. Good morning, everyone. A pleasure to be in the groups. KO nearly at 90. Yes, I missed out on that one. Yeah, when it went to 87, I had my finger on the button. I was going to put 100 grand in, and my position was going to go to 500,000 at 90. Sorry, at 80. But at 85, I thought, okay, it was 85, 86. I forget what it was. I was going to put 100 grand on, and I would have made a lot of money on that. But yeah, it's nearly 90 again, and it can push through now. It probably won't go back down there again now. I missed the opportunity on that one, but I would have had to use margin to do it because I'm all in SpaceX. So there you go. I just applied for Discord. Okay, well, it opens in 10 minutes time. In 10 minutes, you'll be able to join Discord. There are only 2 spots a day, in the morning and in the evening. So it covers all the time zones. But yeah, we're just about to let you do that. All right. Hi, Martyn. I applied for Discord on Sunday evening and I got as far as the payment screen after answering a question. At that moment, my internet went out. What do I do now? You have to reapply. It was cancelled. You only have an hour. So reapply now. I've given you the link. In 10 minutes, you can start the process. Whoops, a daisy. If you want to. Oops, I just put the wrong thing. I didn't mean to put that in the chat. That's the wrong thing. I want to put this in the chat. There's Discord. Ignore the last post. That one there. Right. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's read some more comments. We got some time to go. Do you just trade the 4 cryptocurrencies? Why not others? Just the 4. That way I can focus on and not get distracted. I don't think you need to own everything. I've managed to go from $5,000 to nearly $1 million year to date. Look, I'm up 53%. I've done very, very well by just trading the S&P, Coca-Cola, and now SpaceX. That's it. That's all I've made money on. Very simple. Focus, understand, make relationships with the company. Yeah, I'm feeling FOMO this morning because I had a really good thought that it was right to buy into crypto. A really good thought it was right to buy. But yesterday's performance really put me off the space. I was in yesterday. I bought crypto yesterday and I sold, got out. And that was maybe my focus wasn't there because of my fasting. But, you know, if it goes back down again, then I'll be right. I don't know. I made the decision to get out yesterday. I bought in, but I'm making more money in SpaceX anyway. So there you go. A whale is someone that invests 100 grand in a stock. Well, it depends what stock it is, actually. It depends. A whale is different on different assets. But yes, it can be 100 grand in different assets. It depends. You did your best. Thank you so much indeed. Well, I didn't do my best. I feel I let myself down. I feel I let my audience down because I never lose. And I literally just could not focus on what I was doing while being in this fasting state. So it was quite, it was stressful to not win this one. I've just got an application on Discord. I'll just let you know that the process will start in 10 minutes. There's your first invitation to stand by. It starts in 10 minutes. Okay, just stand by on the hour for 1 hour. You did your best. Still good for autophagy. Yes, I was in autophagy for like 24 hours, I think. 2.5 days fasting is still impressive, Martyn. Yes, it is, but I didn't achieve my goal, and it was only because I couldn't focus on delivering what I wanted to deliver to you guys. So I do feel I let myself down, and I hold myself, on these standards. You broke it again, Martyn. You broke it again. What did I break? True. Already impressive. Any thoughts on Archer? Rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. It got overbought, overinflated, overhyped. I don't like what's going on with Archer at the moment. That whole space is being manipulated. I don't like it. I don't like the way people are manipulating the stock at all, taking advantage of people that don't know what they're doing. I wouldn't be buying this at all. It's worth $1.50. Now, you might say, well, isn't SpaceX 800 times earnings? Yes, it is. I totally agree, but with a very, very different trajectory and growth opportunity. You can't just follow SpaceX with something that isn't making money. It's purely a concept. So I don't like it. Maximum respect, Starlight, thank you. SpaceX is a 10-year hold. Well, yeah, but that doesn't mean to say you can't trade it, though. Sad you had to break your fast. Yeah, I'm sad and disappointed as well. 2.5 days. Joey, good morning to you. Boo, This Way Gaming. Yeah, we shall see.
At Paulman to Richmond tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. Baby steps, next you do 3 days then 4 days, red heart emoji.
Yeah, it would have been easier if I'd have been back in England and walking around the beaches and having a nice time, as opposed to trying to trade $1 million. That was just a little bit too much for me, perhaps. But there it is. It's been really tough. It's been really, really tough. And also, I've been fighting Meta and Facebook as well. There's complications on Meta and Facebook at the moment, and up and up. I was up at 5 o'clock this morning on the phone talking actually to a person at Facebook this morning. It's very, very difficult. Very, very difficult. Lot of issues at Facebook and Instagram. As you know, I have a big account on Instagram. If you've not followed me yet, I go viral quite regularly, and I have a private subscriber community as well. You can subscribe to me for 99 cents. There's my Instagram. I'm having all sorts of issues with Meta and Facebook and all sorts. There's all sorts going on over there at the moment. It's very stressful. Anyway, it is what it is. You've got 6 minutes to go if you wish to join Discord. Let me read some more comments. Let me scroll back up again. I don't want to miss anybody. Take salt and magnesium supplies for 24-hour fast. Yeah, that was partly the problem. My salts only arrived last night, so I was behind on the salts. It made it difficult. I run out and I ordered them on Amazon, paid extra for them to arrive. But anyway, thank you for those tips. I'm big. In and out. I don't know what Liz is saying there. Tony Young, I use the 16-8 fast. I find that works better for me. Well done for trying, though. Thank you very much indeed. Good morning from Florida. Glad you're feeling good. Great discipline. Well, 2.5 days, I guess, is good, but it wasn't my target. And I never miss my target, so I'm very disappointed with myself. Bought back into SpaceX at 139. FOMO, Housey. Well, good luck to you, mate. I've only made it 48 on a fast. You did great. 2.5 days, yeah. Cayenne, cinnamon, mocha, and some dabs, says I'm big. You can always recover from your mistakes and come back stronger and harder. That's true. Morning, Bogos. That's Yassine. Good morning to you. Amada, embrace difficult things to experience personal growth. You went for it. Most people won't even try it. That's very kind of you. Appreciate it. The last fasting, from what I remember, but that's fine. It's the body that tells you what to do. I never try it yet. I fast when I'm sad. Oh, no. That's not what you want to do, is it? Good morning, love your channel. You're seeing what's going on. This second crypto is all of a sudden pumping hard and have 30 shares of SpaceX and holding. Thank you, Roma. Yes, crypto is moving. And I just sold it. Maybe I sold it early. I just was not impressed by yesterday's performance from anyone. Any thoughts on Chainlink? I don't. Our crypto expert is Sensei. He's live on Sundays, and he will share his thoughts with you. Right, we're starting to move now on SpaceX. 1 day to go. Will we hit $1 million? We're now at 905. $95,000 to go. Can we make $1 million? Every bank, every institution thinks it's possible. Every social media influencer on their phone sat on the toilet thinks it's not. I have gone with the money. I have gone with the banks and the institutions because these are the people I speak to. How you doing, brother? Still running strong with your fast? No, I ended the fast this morning. I did 2.5 days. I started it Sunday, 7 p.m. I ended it Wednesday, 7 a.m. 2.5 days. I'm now drinking tea with milk for the first time. And there you go. I found it too difficult to concentrate on what I'm doing, this $1 million thing for Thursday, tomorrow. Bitcoin was right again. Bitcoin flying high. I wouldn't say it's flying. When you say Bitcoin's flying, I mean, let's be absolutely clear. Bitcoin is down like 60% and it's up 0.85. If that was the S&P, you'd say it was doing well today. If that was Coca-Cola, you would say it was doing well today. You wouldn't say that was booming. But to say crypto is booming when it's up 0.85%, I wouldn't say it was booming. So I know you want to say that, but that doesn't make it the case. Hi everyone. I'm going to live stream the Trump. Going to live stream the Trump meeting. When is that? When is that? Let me go and have a look. I've got a poll running here. I want you to go and vote on this. I'll go and look what time this is. We have a poll here. The Discord application opens in 1.5 minutes. So here we go. Here is my post. Are you bullish on SpaceX? Are you bullish on SpaceX? What was the question? Are you bullish on SpaceX right now at this position? Here is our post. Here's our poll. This will rank on Google. Let me give you that there. Let's refresh it. How many votes in the first 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. We've got 36 votes in the first few seconds. This will rank on Google. 61% of you are bullish on SpaceX. All right. That's quick. In just a few seconds, 36 votes, 61% of you are bullish on SpaceX. Let's refresh it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 36 votes. Oh, it didn't move. It didn't move that time. Okay, fair enough. We'll leave it there for now. 36 votes. Not too bad. We'll come back to it. Right, 30 seconds. Discord opens. Let me get through the last couple of questions. Eat some sardines to boost your brain power today for lunch. Thank you, Dino. Morning, Liz. Hope you're well. Murderous Monkey. I'm going to be fasting unwillingly if Virgin Galactic delay anything else. I understand where you're going. All right. Okay. So we're now going to take a pause just for a moment because it's now 8 o'clock. You know what time that is. Every day at this time, you get chance to join Discord. It's a 1 hour. You get the chance to join our Discord. It's an exclusive private community. You get 1 hour this morning and 1 hour this afternoon to do it. That's it. It's an exclusive community. It's very, very private. And I'm now going to give you the link. Now, if you reply back yes, I will start your application. And you have 1 hour to start your application. That is it. Okay? 1 hour. And to complete it. So don't reply back yes if you can't start it now. All right? So here comes your application. All you got to do is reply yes if you wish to start it. So there are 16 applicants. They're all in the list. I'm going to drop in your link right now. All you need to do is reply yes if you wish to start. If you do go yes, it will start straight away. You have 1 hour, one time, one chance. And if you get it wrong and if you try to scam or anything like that or get the questions wrong, that's it. One time over. You cannot apply again. And then you'll be added to the banned list. And that's it. It's all over. We do this to protect our server. We have large whales in our server. It's a private community. We're not trying to get thousands to join. That's why I give it to you for a couple of bucks. I could charge $100. You can even book one-on-one private calls with me, video calls. You can access my calendar and book me 7 days in advance for a private call. This is the sort of thing that you get on Discord. You talk to winners, investors, large whales, small family investors. And if you reply back yes to this now that I'm sending to you now, I will give you your application and you will start the 1 hour. And then you're done. So I'm going to spend a couple of minutes, guys, on this, and then we'll come back to the news of the day. So I'm going through. There's no more applications that I can do today. Everybody that was in is in, no more. And I've got 5 more to go. I'm dropping in your question. Do you wish to start the process now? Yes or no? Well, don't go no. You just don't reply. But if you go yes, the application will start. Okay. 3 to go. This will take me just a moment. Now, you might say, why don't I do this off air? That's because I'm on air all the time, unfortunately, and I don't get a chance to do anything off air because I'm always on air. So I decided to provide white glove service where I help people real time. You're not answered by bots, trolls, automation. I'm here talking to you live. You're looking at the date and the time. That is the real date, the real time as we are right now. Right, 2 to go. I'm just about done. And 1 person has replied so far. So you see what I mean? We get lots of nonsense, but that's okay. This is the world we live in, I'm afraid. You have to be prepared for that. Okay, I've got through all of those. Now we have 1 person replied back and he said yes. Okay, so here comes your application. You have 4 questions to answer. Don't guess. It's designed to protect and help you. We're not going to join the best Discord server in the world without answering the questions correctly and watching the video. So please do it properly. If you don't, we'll recognize it and your chance of joining will be over. All right, there you go. That's it. 1 person has said yes, and your hour has just begun. If anybody else replies to that, I'll come back to it. Right, back to live Q&A. So, good morning, Liz. 30 minutes after FOMC minutes. Right. 1:30 Trump crypto boss. Yes. I do need a secretary. We are hiring people at the moment inside Discord.
At Swangen77 donated 59 Norwegian kroner a super chat on the extra channel.
Oh, wow.
Happy Wednesday, Martyn. Hand with fingers splayed emoji. Smiley face emoji.
Hi, Swangen. He's over there watching the extra channel. That's awesome. How about that? Let me just do this now. So I'll go and tell him to join us live. Here we go. Join us live. There you go. Wow, that's cool, isn't it? Swangen's over there on the extra channel in Norway, different countries around the world. Right, I'm really frustrated because our first person who just applied hasn't watched the video. Right, so there you go. Hi there. I'm sorry the questions are incorrect and you've not watched the video. So your time is running out. You do need to watch the video. Otherwise, you'll be marked as scam and banned from reapplying. Thank you. It's a good start to the morning, isn't it? The first person just tried to scam me. All right. Okay. Tell him since 1 year, Liz. What's your SpaceX price prediction for today? I would like to get into Discord, but you'll have to wait till I have more time to go through work. Can I adjust? But I will have to wait until I have more time. Have to go to work. Can I add my yes later? Yes, you can. Absolutely. Once you add yes, it starts the hour. If you add yes now, it starts the hour now. You know what? I'm just going to block that person because there's no point. I'm just going to reject that person. That person didn't watch the video, just made up nonsense, and I'm going to reject them. What is the point? Reject. Yeah. I'm getting more strict with this because it's just silly when people try to scam you and I have to like be polite. Okay, I'm just gonna ban that person. You didn't try, you didn't make any effort, and that's not what we want. All right, reject that one. Kick it out. There you go, gone. Let's not mess around, shall we? Okay. Any questions? No. Right, let's look at our portfolio. Let's go through the stocks this morning and see what's happening. So as you can see, I'm up $2,000 this morning. We're up 0.5%. Now then, am I beating the market? Am I beating crypto? No, I'm not beating crypto, but I told you why I reverted out of crypto yesterday. I feel frustrated because I would like to be in, but I just can only buy something I can completely believe in. And what I heard yesterday from that presentation really, really sickened me. The swearing, the fighting, the disagreement, the discourse, the lack of harmony. It was just awful. And I thought, there's nothing in here I want to own. So I made the decision to leave yesterday. And I'm frustrated because I had a really good premonition, a really good thought that this was the bottom. And I decided to put $45,000 in. But what I heard was awful. So I decided to get out. And it's tough because, you know, like everybody, I'll have FOMO now. And just like everybody else, I will feel like I got out too early. But there you go. It's frustrating because this could have taken me to $1 million today if it does go up. Because I put 45 grand in today, 10% would have been 4.5 grand. You know, I'd be getting close to that $1 million. But I decided I wasn't happy, so I made my decision, and now I've got to live with it. Anyway, I'm up $2,300. The S&P is up 0.4, so I'm beating the market again today, beating the S&P, which is good. Virgin Galactic is flat right now. I'm up very comfortably on this. I've got $10,000. I could take some profit, but I'm not going to. I'm now playing with the house's money, so it's basically free money now anyway because I've traded it and made money from it. Did we get any new applicants to Discord? I think we might have done. Yes, we did get one. Okay, so I will give you your invitation. We just got a new person who's just wished to apply. So let me drop that in. We are inside the hour. You can only do it in this hour every day. After that, I'm not doing it. Okay, there you go. Virgin Galactic. So SpaceX is up 0.5%, 0.4. Palantir is down. Gold is up. A lot of uncertainty in the world right now. I don't believe in hedges, though. I don't believe in stop losses either. Amazon up. Apple up a little bit. Enphase Energy, my top pick for $100. Coca-Cola going down. It had a nice little rally, 89. Now it's 88. It's got dropped. I'm not going to FOMO into it, though. I wanted to buy it at 95. I wanted to buy it at 90. I wanted to buy it at 80. But 85 was getting interesting. We've already made money. We don't want to give it back. J&J is up today, 0.38. Oil is up 0.53. Chevron anyway. Tesla, 0.19. I can't buy Tesla because I just cannot see any way it can't go to $80. McDonald's is down. Google is down today. Microsoft is down today. Meta up 0.41. Can see it going to $800. Nvidia, this is great. 221 now. Nice. Walmart, I'd like to buy it for 100. Tilray Brands, no value at all. Robinhood, I'm surprised it's still holding up. Actually, should be $1 now. Robinhood going up. That's because crypto's moving today. Vertical Aerospace up slightly. Joby Aviation up slightly. Archer Aviation, this whole sector is up a little bit this morning, but I don't like it here. Taiwan Semiconductor up 1%. Bitcoin up 0.92. So we are moving on crypto this morning. XRP up 1.3 now. It's running. It's running without me. I bought it at 99 cents. Oh, yay. It just shows you how you can be affected if you're not in the right mindset. I had a real, it's going to sting me for a long time, this. It's going to sting me, but, if it goes back down again, I'll be glad, right? But not really, because I had the tax strategy all in place, but it is what it is. I'm not going to chase it now. I mean, fair enough, I could change my mind, but why would I be doing that? What's changed? Nothing. It's gone up. Well, that's called FOMO. You bought it at 99, you bought back at 101. It's still good at 101. However, you didn't like it because of what you heard, so why would you buy it back today? That would be a really bad move, right? Of course it would. So why would I want to do that? So I'm not going to do that. That would be crazy to do that this morning. So I'm not going to. Right, let's come to the chat. Have we got anybody in the chat got any questions? Kim Karash is I'm bullish. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut. Philip Cloth. Coca-Cola pumping. It's well, you say it's pumping. It's what's the time now? Is it pumping? Is it really pumping? Where's it gone? Where's my Coca-Cola gone? What do you mean? What do you mean Coca-Cola's pumping? People say some really strange things in the chat. I look at that and go, is it? All right, okie dokie. So we might don't cover it. Trump speech. Let me go and check. Sorry, I got distracted and I didn't look for that, did I? Okay, let me go and see. Is the White House got any scheduled events? Live stream. They've got. Let me have a look. Nothing scheduled there, right? Okay, the White House live. Let's have a look. Have they got anything scheduled? No, there's nothing scheduled there. Let me go and look on Bloomberg. I'll have a look at all the places. If you got a link, you share it in the Discord. I'll go and have a look. Nothing scheduled on Bloomberg today. What about Sky News? Have they got anything scheduled? If there's nothing scheduled, I can't do anything right now. Nothing scheduled there either. No, nothing scheduled for Sky News.
I can't believe this.
So if there is a link that someone has got for it, let me know, and let me see if I can get hold of my team. Let me call Sensei, see if we can cover it today. It will be interesting. Maybe I can hear something more positive than the nonsense I heard yesterday, which put me off. Really did. I felt really rubbish about it.
I can't believe this.
Let me see if I can get Sensei on the phone. Oh, what's happening in the chat? 1970 Buckley is in the house, gifting memberships. How kind is that? 1970 is here. Sensei, are you there? Good morning, mate. Hello, mate. How are you this morning?
I can't believe this.
Good. Yeah, it's a weird world we live in, mate. Apparently, Trump is speaking today. He's got crypto guys with him in the White House. There's some important seminar, some important meeting going on. Are you aware of it? I can't find any links on all my usual sources.
I can't believe this.
Right.
There's no links, there's no meeting.
Right.
It's closed doors. All we will get is probably the CEOs and some of those important figures, maybe do some X posts after, and then
Right.
the news will slowly drip out, but there's no.
Okay, great. All right, thank you, Sensei. As I've got you on the phone, is there anything the audience needs? Is there anything you want me to tell the audience? Anything we should do?
Yeah, the FOMC minutes. Is it okay if I cover that today?
I would love you to cover it. Yeah, what time is that?
I think it's about 6 p.m. my time. I think it's before the closing bell.
Yeah, perfect. You cover that. All right, I'll tell everybody to look out for that then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Bye. Okay, so folks, this is what's going to happen. The crypto event this afternoon is not being broadcast. So we can't broadcast it because it's not being broadcast. So that's as simple as that then, isn't it? All right, so that's taking care of that. However, what we will cover is the FOMC minutes. Now that is important for a rate decision to find out where the Fed's going. Now that will affect the market. That will affect crypto, and that will affect Bitcoin and SpaceX and everything else. And yes, Martyn is getting real FOMO right now, and it's really, really, really annoying. Really, really annoying. Let me make a quick video. Let me make a quick video on this. I'll put this out. So we'll cover the FOMC. I mean, I shouldn't be too upset. I'm making money, right? But let me do this. Let me do this. This is painful. All right. I'm feeling real FOMO and pain today. I had a really good tip, good information, good feeling about buying crypto yesterday. You may remember I bought crypto yesterday. My first position, $45,000 I put into crypto, saying if it goes up, I'll make some money. If it goes down, I don't mind. I will double and double and double. I have $500,000 to buy crypto on the way down. And then I can sell the top lots for a tax loss to offset the 300 grand I've made this year on SpaceX. So I don't mind if it goes up, I make money. I don't mind if it goes down. However, last couple of days, I've been doing a fast. I've been trying to focus my mind for the SpaceX $1 million event on Thursday. So I decided to get into crypto. I apologize. My brain's gone a bit fuzzy there. Decided to buy crypto. And then I watched the event, the symposium, the crypto event, and I was very, very unimpressed. For the first time, I heard infighting, I heard swearing, I heard all kinds of stuff, which led me to feel that this looks like a Ponzi scheme that's falling over and cracking. It really didn't look good. I felt very uncomfortable in the space. I still believe in the technology of crypto, XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, but what I heard yesterday was very, very bad. I didn't like it. And because of my fast, and I was under a lot of stress, I ended it this morning. I was going to go until Thursday night, 4 days. I did 2.5 days. It became too stressful because I'm investing $1 million while being live on YouTube TV. And it just became too stressful. So I decided, and maybe wrongly, to decide to get out of crypto when I really felt it was the right time to be in. I didn't lose any money. I made about $1,000 because I got a very low spread with Robinhood because I trade a lot. So I made money on it. It was nice. I made some money. However, I missed all of this. And now I feel FOMO. So it just goes to show we all get it. I feel frustrated because what I heard was rubbish. Brad Garlinghouse let the community down. Not just Brad, but others. The whole day was blaming others, fighting over what technology should win, all kinds of stuff. And you don't hear this in the rest of the market. Yes, there's competition between Amazon and Tesla and Microsoft and Google and Meta and Nvidia, but they all share the same hymn sheet. And they all invest with each other, and they all believe in AI. That's their big buzzword right now. What we heard yesterday from this meeting was One person said agentic AI would be a thing. The next person said, no, it's rubbish. We should never do it. One person thought this coin was rubbish. The other person thought it was great. And it just sounded like a bunch of idiots fighting over nothing. And I thought, this does not sound good anymore. So I decided I can make money on SpaceX. I mean, I'm probably going to be $1 million by tomorrow night. Why am I doing this? And it frustrated me because I wanted to be in the space, and I bought back in, which probably was the bottom. It might not be the bottom, and this might all go down to 80 cents, which was my original target anyway, and I'll look great again. However, for now, I'm feeling FOMO, and it's frustrating. So there you go. I wanted to share this. I'm on a live show right now, and I wanted to give you my thoughts on how I actually feel, because everyone gets FOMO. And when you study and identify an asset to buy, and you can see a path upwards, and you buy which you think is a low, and then all of a sudden you get out very quickly because of what you hear. Now, some people have suggested that's all the game, Martyn. They're trying to get people out. I don't agree with that at all. Brad Garlinghouse is not trying to get everyone to sell XRP. He doesn't benefit from you buying it or selling it. I don't agree with that at all. There's not a conspiracy going on. There's not some weirdness going on. It's just, it is what it is. And right now, hours after I sold, it's starting to move. Now, of course, it's only up 1.84. Let's not get carried away. It's not rallying. People say it's pumping. Ethereum's up 1.5. XRP is up 1.84. Bitcoin's up 1%. These are assets that are down 50, 60%. Hardly anything to shout about, right? However, if I'm right, and it was right to buy it for 99 cents, XRP, for example, and everything else at the same time, this is going to sting because I could have made money. But remember, it's not what you could have, it's what you do have. So if we come out of there for a minute and focus on what I do have, I'm actually beating crypto today. So I wanted to share this with a positive story. I started with $5,000. I'm now at 909. This is just about an all-time high. I'm winning on SpaceX. I'm beating the market. And let's remind ourselves how much I'm beating the market this year. So I shouldn't feel too bad, but I always do when I make a mistake. Did I make a mistake? Let's look at the S&P. If we look at the S&P, this is how you measure yourself. It's up 12.5% this year, 12.36. It's a very average year. What's my performance? My performance is 55% year to date. I've beaten every hedge fund, every Wall Street manager, everybody. Tom Lee, Michael Saylor, Warren Buffett, you name it. Over 1 year, wait for it, I'm up 67%. And I'm beating myself up. I am beating myself up because I set myself very high standards. I said I would do a 4-day fast, and I had to stop at 2.5 days because it was too much stress. I couldn't focus on what I was doing. It became very, very difficult, and I stopped. I quit. I sold crypto maybe too early. But folks, I've beaten the market 67% in 1 year. No one has done that. Nobody has done that. So even someone like myself who's making money hand over fist, who was about to hit $1 million when the whole market is saying SpaceX is going to dump tomorrow, I feel FOMO. We all do. Everyone talks about when Warren Buffett won with Coca-Cola and Berkshire. They don't talk about all his losses. He lost many, many times. In fact, most of the money he made was after his 65th birthday. Let's remember that. It's very important. So if this reflects to you, and this is how you feel in the market, we all feel it in the market. One day you're up, one day you're down. But as you can see, I've beaten every metric there is known to man. I shouldn't feel bad, but yet I still do. So, was I right to get out of crypto? Was I wrong? Should I just focus on great businesses? Stay where I am in SpaceX? Make $1 million? It doesn't matter. And it doesn't matter. But what do you think? Did I sell too early? Is crypto about to pump? Could I have made $1 million today just by holding my crypto without SpaceX going up? Or could crypto go even lower? It's 4 minutes before the bell. I wanted to make a little video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Was I right to sell? Was I wrong? Did you agree with me? Did it sound bad yesterday on that event? I thought it sounded absolutely terrible. But what do I know? I made a judgment. I made a call. Now I'll find out whether I'm right or whether I'm wrong. XRP is up 2%. We can't get too excited just yet. But there it is. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Don't end this. I'm still here for everybody watching live. But over here and over here, I'll put something that you might find interesting. For everybody else, stay where you are. For you watching this video later on, leave me your thoughts below. Did I do the right thing? Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. So there you go. What do you make of that, folks? What do you make of that? All right, let's get ready. Oh. It does hurt, doesn't it? I mean, yeah, it's... Anyway, I want to thank our members this morning. We got large whales, entrepreneurs, business people in the chat donating memberships. We've got 1970 Buckley, a very successful businesswoman, business person doing very, very well. I also saw some 1970 Buckley gifted some. We also had somebody else. Who was it now? Let me have a quick look. Who was it who just donated more memberships? It was another one. Another round of memberships came in. Here we go. It was Tony Young. Tony Young gifted 5 memberships this morning. So thank you. Very successful entrepreneurs in our show that like to give the gift of education and community. It's a wonderful thing that they do. We provide, which we believe, the best information, and they're trying to help you get all of my trades 24/7, a wonderful access to a wonderful community, and all the perks and benefits that you get. So there you go. And XRP is doing very nicely this morning. Right, 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Let's get ready. So let's go back a quick look before the bell. How long have I got? 1.5 minutes. Did anybody on Discord require any service? No. No, they didn't. Okay. So we're all good. Oh, someone just asked to reply. So if you reply yes to this, your hour will start now. How long have I got? 1 minute to go. Let me just drop this one in. Your hour will start now, should you wish to start it. That's it. Rupert. Oh, yes, you answered yes. Why did I not see that? Oh, why did I not get why did I not get notification on that? Let me scroll back. I didn't see that. I didn't see a yes from somebody. That's annoying. Okay. How long have I got time? 30 seconds to go. 1 hour. Now I'm pushed. There's your 1 hour. I'm sorry I missed that. I don't know how I missed that. Nobody else replied yes, did they? I didn't get notified. No. Okay. Okay, good. Don't know how the hell I missed that. Right, here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. We're off to the races. Let's see the markets this morning. So here we go. We're up 1.1%. We're beating the market again but we're feeling FOMO. We're feeling sick this morning. So it's not easy to be in the market this morning. We're feeling a little bit sick, but it is. We shouldn't be. I don't know why I am feeling bad, but I'm a human like everybody else. We all get FOMO. You've got to control that emotion. It's not easy. No one said this game. Oh, now it's going down. Now it's going down. The S&P is up. Now I'm red. Okay, 24 hours to go before SpaceX. Virgin Galactic going down. SpaceX going down on the bell. Palantir going up. Gold is going up. Amazon is going up. Apple is up today. Enphase Energy pumping. Look at this one. $100 is my top pick. Coca-Cola is also going up. I've missed this one as well. Nearly got it. J&J, I made it many times, of course, but not this time. Chevron Oil going down. Tesla going up. All right, McDonald's going up. Google going up. Microsoft up. Meta, everything going up other than the what I'm in. Oh my gosh. Nvidia pumping this morning. Ay, ay, ay. Money leaving SpaceX and going to the Mag 7. Robinhood going up. Vertical Aerospace going down. Joby going down. Archer going down. I hate that space right now. I think it's awful. Taiwan up. Bitcoin is up 1.39 and I'm out of it. There's nothing I can do now. I cannot chase. XRP is going up and Ethereum is going up. What do I do? What do I do? Whole market going up, eh? And I'm in the wrong thing at the moment. My portfolio is going down. There it is. I was at 900,000. Am I going to get to 1 million by tomorrow night? Well, who knows? It's difficult. I had FOMO. I had stress with my fasting. I sold, and it's all going up without me. Will it come back down? Who knows? Was I wrong to sell it? Bitcoin is going up. It's going up. It's tough. We all know what it feels like. Is SpaceX going to bounce? Virgin Galactic up. SpaceX is it's only down 0.96. Remind ourselves, I was at $5,000. I'm at 896. I'm hardly down. I'm up 300 grand in 1 year, 60% in 1 year, but I really wanted to get to 1 million. Is it just too much to ask? Is it too much of a stretch to go that far? We'll find out soon. Welcome to the big show. I had a really good feeling I bought in at the exact right time. And I was right. And then I heard Brad Garlinghouse talk rubbish. And it freaked me out. Well, it didn't freak me out, it just put me off. Was that the game? I don't think so. All right, there you go. Right, there it is. Let's I'm watching it go up. Anyway, it's early days. Let's read some comments. XRP song. Let's do it. XRP. Always believe in your flow. There's the XRP song. Bell, we got it. Hey Martyn, could you break down your portfolio investments at the moment on Discord today? Yes, of course I can. Join me on Discord. Ask me any question you want. I'll share anything with you. Go for all my positions. I mean, basically, you can ask me anything, and I will happily do it. No problems at all. Just going to double check if I'm not missing anything with Discord, because I didn't get that one person who said, yes, start the clock. But, okay, all good. Right. If you believe fundament of XRP are good, just add a smaller entry amount now and add when lower numbers are hit. No, I'm never going to buy into a pump. I don't want to do that. That's against all of my principles. And My principles have taken me from 5 grand to 900 grand. I'm not going to suddenly join a gamble club. My belief was right. Doesn't mean to say it can't go up. I mean, you could be right and still be wrong, right? You can be right about something and it still make money. I mean, you can literally go out today and buy the most stupidest coin in the world, a binky bonk fart coin, and it goes up 1,000%. Still gambling though, and you're still right not to buy it, but you're right to buy it, right? You can be wrong and right at the same time. If you believe, I answered that one. Let's have a look. Martyn typically doesn't buy on a pump. No, absolutely not. Anyone buying Meta, not a bad idea. If the stress is because of the higher amount invested in SpaceX, considering some profit. No, I don't want to take any profit. I still believe it's going to $200 and it could happen tomorrow. Whole market going up, must be the Iran deal. There is no Iran deal. Trump said there's an Iran deal every 5 minutes. The deal, there's not a deal, the deal, it's ridiculous. There's no Iran deal. There's not going to be an Iran deal. There'll never be an Iran deal. Iran has more power now than it's ever had. It's cost the US government billions. Our money's gone. People are dead. The environment's been destroyed. There's pollution everywhere. There's bombs everywhere. And we're no better off than we were at the beginning. So I don't know what the deal, what deal we've got going on at all. But anyway, we shall see. We shall see. I've got someone applying to go on Discord right now, so let me just give you your video. It's the person who's tried before trying to scam me, so I just blocked that person. There we go. You can only apply once. You can't try twice. So look, we're all down. Nice to be back on SpaceX, buying the dip. Jump into crypto, Martyn. Not too late. No, I agree. I mean, I agree. It's not too late if you believe it's going higher, and I can totally agree. This could be a good entry. It was better at 99 cents, of course, but it doesn't matter whether you pay 99 cents, 110, 120, 150, if it's going to 3, 4, or 5, does it? It makes no difference whatsoever. So, you know, at the end of the day, it's still a good time to buy if it's going to go up. But, you know, what I learned yesterday has to stand. It's difficult. You know, nobody wants to talk about it, but it is, I know, it is what it is. Anyway, SpaceX is fine. Oh, I absolutely believe SpaceX is fine. I wouldn't have 900 grand in it if I didn't, would I? You did not buy with conviction. Sold when I saw a lady interviewer. You sold when I saw... I didn't sell because of her. That's not why I sold Widget at all. It was the whole day. Loving the shorts, Martyn. Oh, great. Thank you very much. Where you watch the shorts? On the Clips channel, on this channel, on Facebook, on Reels, on Instagram, or on X. They're everywhere. Every 30 minutes, 24 hours a day. It won't be the last opportunity. Yeah, so where are you seeing all my shorts? I'd love to know. So, yeah. Just checking some communication on Discord. There we go. There we go. Taking care of more people on Discord. Right. SPCE song. I haven't actually got that loaded to play. Oh, look, I'm losing money now. Aye. Let's go back and see. So, yeah, I'm down today now. I got it back yesterday. 1 day to go. 24 hours to go, folks. 24 hours to go. What do you know? What do you know? It's going to be tough, right? Let's make a little set of videos here. SpaceX, 24 hours to go. Am I going to hit $1 million? Well, look at my portfolio here. 888. That's the magic number from the Chinese. We've been here before. We got as high as 918,000 yesterday. Are we going to hit $1 million by tomorrow night? 24 hours to go, because tomorrow is the big unlock of SpaceX. Am I going to get there? I think it's possible. Banks think it's possible. Hedge funds think it's possible. But every social media influencer sat on the toilet who didn't take an education in investing. I've been doing it since I was 17 with Barclays Bank. They're all saying it's going to $50 and everyone's going to sell. I say no. Now, of course, I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, but I have beaten the market for 4 years in a row. Let's remind ourselves how much I've beaten the market this year to be absolutely clear. This is my position. If we look at the S&P will show you it's made no more than 12% in the year to date. Where am I? Year to date, I am here. I am up 50%. On the 1 year, 12 months, 67%. I've made 300 grand in 1 year across my overall portfolio. I've done better than everybody else on the market. Every hedge fund, Wall Street manager, Warren Buffett, Tom Lee, Michael Saylor, absolutely everybody. But I'm still feeling down today and frustrated because I want to get, and I do believe it's possible, I could get to 1 million by tomorrow night. Are we going to do it? Well, let's look at the market this morning. We're seeing my portfolio go down. Of course, it goes down big because I've got a lot of money in it. I'm not in margin right now. I cleared all the margin. We're seeing the S&P up today, so I'm not beating the market today. That's unusual. Virgin Galactic is up, and I've made some money on this position. I could sell this today and take a nice profit if I wanted to. SpaceX is down 2% today, but is it all? And I do believe what it is, it's institutions reshuffling for the big move tomorrow. We shall see if I'm right or not. Tomorrow is 24 hours away. Join us for the event. Palantir is up. Gold is up. Amazon is going down. Apple is up today. Enphase Energy is up. It's my top pick to go to $100. Coca-Cola, this is frustrating. I've made a lot of money from Coca-Cola this year, about $110,000. I recognized the top was 90. I was spot on. It was 90. I said, I can't buy it now. And I sold it. I took my profit. I wanted to buy it back around 80. Yesterday at 85, I was going to drop $100,000 onto it and the rest of it around 80. I was going to start laddering in and I missed it by a few cents. I was doing some calls and I on Discord and I missed it, and it's gone up exactly where I thought it would go. So I feel a bit of FOMO today. It's a great business. It's going to 106, but I never buy pumps. I never buy into the excitement. But yes, it's frustrating. I could have made some money here. J&J, I'm not in that. Chevron oil going up, more uncertainty in the Middle East. Tesla, I can't buy Tesla. I will own Tesla soon when SpaceX takes it over, but I think Tesla's going to 80 cents. McDonald's defensive up, Google going down, Microsoft up. It's all over the place today with the Mag 7. Nvidia going up on the back of SpaceX. Walmart is very expensive now. Can only buy it around 100. Tilray Brands, it's a joke stock, no money, no value at all. Robinhood going up because of crypto. The EVTOL space is awful at the moment. It's all going down, all overpumped, all overpriced. Do not like it at all. A lot of stock manipulation here. Do not like this space at all. Would not be in it at all. Crypto. Now, yesterday I bought into crypto. How about it? I bought yesterday $45,000. I thought, right, the signals are good. And then I spent the day watching the consortium and their presentation. And it was from Jackson Hole, and it was absolutely rubbish. Infighting, swearing, disagreement. I thought, it's not a space I like. I felt I had the bottom. I sold it. I made $1,000. I didn't lose any money. However, today it's gone up. I expected it to go up, and it did. But I hated the presentation. Was I wrong to sell? Well, you know, we all get FOMO. Even I get FOMO, and I've beaten the market by 60% in a year. So, you know, I've done well, but I hate when I get it wrong. But at the end of the day, I didn't like it. Will it go lower? It probably will. If it doesn't, it carries on. I'm never going to get over the fact that I had all that money invested in crypto the day before it took off. Anyway, there you go. A few thoughts. Will we get to $1 million tomorrow? Join me tomorrow. Hopefully it'll happen, but we'll find out, right? Tomorrow we'll find out. I've got another person here just, okay. Looks like we've got a good person. Lovely. I wish I could call the names out. I can't. Got to be respectful to people. What? Yeah, that makes sense. Upload file. Congratulations, you're in. Oh, getting a super chat. Wonder what this one says. What does this one say?
At Diesel_Ada tipped $4.99 through Super Chat. Don't stop believing Martyn and Lucasades. Respectfully, how do we bloody remove Tilray from the daily stock updates?
How do we remove Tilray from the daily stock updates? Well, basically, these are all sponsored by people. If someone does a $20 super chat to book their favorite stock, that gets replaced. That's how it rotates. So Tilray is up for renewal. If anyone does a $20 super chat for a new stock that I should be covering, it will be changed. Tilray will drop, and that new stock will come in. That is essentially how it works. So if that's what you want to do, you can do it. Right? That's how it works. Oh, another person replying. Yes, 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 correct. You got the answers correct. Good. Let me approve you. There we go. Right, come back to our position. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is making its way back up again. XRP, little pump, little bit of profit taking. I mean, it's perfectly normal, of course. Bitcoin, I'm never going to get over this. If this is the bottom and it takes off now and we rally. Now, we also believe there'll be a pump and then a final capitulation because everybody will FOMO in. That's why I'm not doing it. Remember, you can make a mistake by selling too early, but you can make a mistake by buying as well. So a lot of people could start buying now and using leverage. And that's when it can grow really quickly and then dump quickly. And that's the final consolidation. And that is when I could buy it even better. And remember, I made $1,000 yesterday. I didn't lose any money. You know, who knows? XRP standing on the moon. That's the phrase we like to use. No FOMO. That's right. Relax, folks. It's only up 2 cents. That's right. It's only up 2 cents. In fact, it's going back down again now quickly. If you had kept your money XRP, at what level would you have sold? I would have liked to have just taken, I just want to get to the $1 million. I'm just trying to get to $1 million by Thursday, by tomorrow night. That was my target. I'm trying to trade to get to $1 million by Thursday night. And I believe it will come through SpaceX. But, you know, so yeah, I would have taken any profit today. I just keep trading it. You know, that's why I sold yesterday. I took a profit. I didn't lose money. But it's going down quickly now. Imagine if you bought now. Imagine if you did. And that's what some people have done. And the moment it goes up, it dumps. You're going to feel pretty stupid, aren't you? Well, I certainly would feel stupid. I'd feel really, really stupid because, you know, at the end of the day, I'm a pro investor, a pro trader. I do this for a living. And I would not like to get that wrong. You know, it's not something I want to do. All right. So anyway, there you go. We've got someone just asked to join on Discord. We've got 10 minutes left. We're about to run out of time. Martyn's YouTube channel is very useful. Thank you for all the knowledge you have sent. You're very welcome. There you go.
At Rallo.1 tipped $20 through Super Chat. Please replace TLRY with golf, Acushnet.
Really? GOLF. There it is. It happened as simple as that. So now what I need to do, I need to add this to the list. So Robin Hood, okay, it's done. Golf, that will now be there. Bottom screen, done.
I can't believe this.
Let me amend it. Let's take out Tilray. Tilray's gone. Cut. Tilray's gone. Tilray's gone, and we'll put...
I can't believe this.
There you go. I've made the adjustment. You now have... Oh, what's happening now? Hang on a minute. What's going on? I'm missing something. I'm missing something. So there you go.
I can't believe this.
There is your stock. Every day it'll be on the rundown. Not only does it promote your favorite stock, it's there and we keep an eye on it for you. But there it is. Acushnet is our new stock added to the list. What happened here? Did someone donate some memberships? Let's have a look.
I can't believe this.
Wow, what's going on here? Received a gift. Vince Bango. Vince Bango is number 3 in our top big whales on the channel. We've got Rob's number 1. We've got 1970 Buckley in 2. And number 3, just behind, is Vince Bango.
This.
He's another new whale, another entrepreneur business person, very successful. And he is also supporting the channel, giving people the gift of education and community. Absolutely awesome. Right. I think I have a special message coming through.
I can't believe this.
It'll come through in a moment. I've been asked to update you. There are 9 names left to go on the t-shirt. You've got until another few days to go, because on the 1st of September, on the last day of August, last trading show, we will vote. We'll play World Cup football, and we'll vote
I can't believe this.
We'll vote on the winner, the t-shirt, that design that comes out on September. And there's 72 names that go on the back of the t-shirt, the hoodie, and the mug. And it's a $5 super chat, and you get your $5 back. There are 9 names left. So what you do, it can be your name, someone else's name. It can be a friend, a family member. You can sponsor a business. These t-shirts get seen, and mugs and hoodies get seen all around the world. People take pictures, share them on social media. So it's a little bit of publicity for you. If you want to add your name, if you do more than... I think the top one is $24. Your name will go to the very top of the list. That's the current top bid. All right? $24. But if you do $5, you get your name on the shirt, the mug and the hoodie, and you get your $5 back on a gift card you get to buy the t-shirt when it comes out on the 1st of September. The first show in September. 9 names left.
I can't believe this.
So we've got lots of members this morning being donated by one of our members. As you can see, SpaceX is bleeding. I'm now down. This is hurting now. I'm down 3% today. $15,000. It's what happens when you're all in one stock. The S&P is up 0.25%. I'm not worried though at all. I still think tomorrow I could be at 200 grand by the close. Will I do it? Join me to find out.
At Maserati and tip $9.99 through Super Chat. What do you think about NBIS, Nebius Group?
Nebius Group. I've actually never looked at it, Maserati Ant. You've got a couple of options. A new service now we started. Oh, everyone. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is from Vince Bango. How about this?
At Vince Bango 1 tip $20 through Super Chat. Everyone, hit the like button.
All right. We've got Maserati Ant. I've never reviewed the stock. I don't know. But we've got a couple of really cool things that you might be interested in. Is look at SpaceX drop 3.5%. I think it's a good opportunity. I think this is another repositioning of institutions. I'm very confident of that. I'm not worried about it at all. Maserati Ant, you've got a couple of options here. You can go on the Discord if you're a pro member, and you can book a 20-minute video call session with me on demand 1 week out at the time and place that suits you. Okay? You go onto Discord, you go into the pro section, and you'll find the one-on-one with Martyn, and you can book in my calendar, my personal calendar, a spot, and then I will show up, I will call you, and we'll discuss the stock. I'm not going to give you financial advice, not going to tell you what to do, I'm not going to ask you any personal information, but what I am going to do is look at the stock of your choice, do a stock analysis for you, show you the balance sheet, how to read the balance sheet, look at the profit, the margin, the losses, all that kind of stuff on demand as you want it. That is a new service that I do inside Discord. Pretty cool, right? You can book that. All right. We do have the waiting list for the stock reviews. We're still doing those where you can do a $10 super chat and it goes on the list. But this gives people opportunity to get it done privately, personally, just for you in person. So you've got that option as well. Today I have two meetings today. I have a meeting at 11:30, which is in 2.5 hours, with a new ambassador team member, and then right after that, I've got a video call with a Discordian who wants to go through a stock analysis, exactly like what I was talking about to you. And tomorrow I've got two as well. So we're pretty much fully booked this week now. But you got a 7-day. You can book it 7 days out. Hi Martyn, I'll do a super chat. I will do a $20 super chat. Will you put crypto FLR on your rundown? Craig Carter. Let me have a look. FLR. Whoops. FLR. Flare. I can add one more crypto. Yeah, I could do that. If you'd like me to do... Oops, what happened there? If you'd like me to do that, I can certainly do that. Yes, I can add it in. The daily show will include Flare, FLR. Yes, if you want me to do that. We've got a couple to recycle that have expired. So, yeah, we could do that. We can drop one of the old ones. There's 2 or 3 we can get rid of. So, yes, we certainly can do that if you want me to do that. So that was from Craig Carter. Yep, we can have that on the show every day. It promotes the stock, promotes the asset, and we can look at it every day. AMD just dumped, triggered to sell on my holdings, and triggered a sell. You see, I never do that. I never do stop losses. I think that's very dangerous. Nebius is great, says Liz. Pamp the like button. Set for live crypto. Over the last 60 days, I've been accumulating a lot of crypto and what I believe are a cycle bottoms or very near bottom. I think you're probably right. However, I'm not so sure the cycle is quite the same anymore, if I'm honest. Let's look at crypto. How's it moving? Oh, God. Imagine. Oh, I hate it, don't you? Yeah. It's going up, but, you know, it's only up a little bit. Like everyone's saying, don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. Sensei loves Flare. He does, yeah. If this is repositioned on SpaceX, shouldn't we have a bit more volume? I think it's all going to come at the last minute. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes after hours tonight. The unlocks are in the morning. I've got good information that these institutions are going to buy tomorrow in mass. That's what I believe. Now, I could be wrong, but that's where I put my money. That's what I think is going to happen. Do I know for a fact? Of course I don't. No one's going to stand up and tell you for a fact something's going to happen. But that is what I think. And that is what I believe. Tomorrow we'll find out. But there you go. It's only 24 hours to go and we'll know. So anyway. Right, today's Discord event is over. It's 9 o'clock. There's no more applications today. The next time will be this afternoon in the closing bell show. Does look like Sensei is going to do the FOMC minutes today, so that will be great. Really, really great. We look forward to that. All right. Anyway, let's see how we go. Nebius Pump. Sensei loves Flare. Yeah, so did you want Flare? Did you want me to do that or not? Let's have a look. Oh my gosh, 19 grand down now. Look at that. I'm not stressed, by the way. I'm perfectly relaxed. And especially now I'm eating something. I'm perfectly relaxed. However, you know, the more it goes down, the more opportunities that we're going to have a quick bounce. But if it goes too low, of course, it could start something. I don't think it's going to. I think we're going to suddenly get a big buy-in here and we're going to go to $1 million, $200 tomorrow. That's what I think. That's my call. You know, it's based on the information I'm getting directly from the sources. I could be wrong. And if I'm wrong, I'll be wrong big. I mean, I could lose $500,000 in a day if I'm wrong. Aye. SpaceX going down 4%. Palantir down. Gold going up. Uncertainty going up. It's going up with crypto, isn't it? See, that's another thing. Crypto was born out of fear. It was born out of the big 2008 crash. That's what that always worries me, when an asset is born out of fear. Coca-Cola was spot on with my prediction. I just didn't quite get the 85 yesterday that I was going to start buying in with. It's a bit frustrating. It is, but that's a mistake there. I don't like when I make mistakes. Tesla, McDonald's, Google down, Microsoft going up, Meta up, Nvidia selling off now, Walmart, Acushnet, that's it. Acushnet's our new stock. We just added it. A member did $20 super chat. It now is on the show every day. Robinhood up, Vertical Aerospace down, Joby down, and Archer down. Taiwan Semiconductor going down. Bitcoin up now 65,000. XRP up 1.66 and Ethereum up as well. 880. Let's go back to the comments. Get some SPCE. I've got some. I've got $10,000. I can't buy any at this point. I can, but I'm not going to. Martyn, you and those that donated have made it possible for me to be on Discord. Wow, thank you. Alfred Morlett, that's amazing. Did you join, Alfred? Did you join today? A few people did join. They'll be on our Discord event this morning. Yeah, did you join? The 1 hour dash? Did you make it in? Pro member here he is, potatoes here. Martyn, are you sticking to your target of 5 on XRP? Yep. Yes, I can see it going to 5. Remember, it doesn't have to be good to go up. You know, you could buy fart coin and it go up. You know, the fundamentals and the sentiment yesterday on that event was bad. I didn't like it. And I sold. Maybe I shouldn't have done. Obviously, I shouldn't have done. If I'd stayed in today, I would have been up so much today. Oh, my God. But I did. I sold, and it is what I can't do nothing about it now. Anyway, I look at weekly candles, just waiting for 1 or 2 more dumps before a massive pump, probably November. Not looking good for 1 million. No, it's not looking good at the moment, but I do think it's repositioning for tomorrow. SpaceX, buying opportunity yet. Good time to buy SpaceX now. Martyn, is that true? Sensei sold all his SpaceX at 135. Yes. Yes, he did. That's true. 136. Are you buying more now? Am I buying more now? No. No. I've got all that in SpaceX. No, I'm not. I'm not buying. I'm not buying here. I've got buy orders set much lower. Much lower. I'm not buying here. No, I'm not buying here. Waiting for it to go much lower. I've got a good position. So, yeah. There it is. Not buying here. Starting to move, look. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Oh, it does hurt. It does. It does, because this amount of profit starting to move now. Oh, yeah. It could have been a big part of the $1 million tomorrow. If I could have made 20 grand today, and we're getting there from where I was. But again, it's early. It is early, but it does sting. It does. Martyn, is it true? Yes, we answered that one. Are you? No. If I give you a 20% super chat, can it replace golf? If I give you 20, hang on. Diesel Raider. Who was? Oh, joke. Oh, I see. Diesel Raider. Be careful, mate. I nearly deleted one of your stocks. SpaceX is going to have one hell of a bounce. I think so. But what do I know? It's just guessing, isn't it? End of the day. Doesn't overvalued stock sell off and rotate into undervalued crypto? Doesn't overvalued stocks sell off? Not always. It's not black and white. Martyn, look at mRNA. Moderna story this morning. Moderna, mRNA. If you send me a link on Discord, I'll take a look. Yes. Oh, you did. You got in. That's fantastic. So in an hour, or 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, in 53 minutes, we'll be live on Discord for a stage event. You can be there and you can see how it all works. Good morning. How do I find your trades? Well, if you are a Discord Electrum member, go to community posts and you'll see all of my trades there. Whenever I post, Electrum members see them all. If you want me to do a little test for you now, I'll do a little test on YouTube Electrum, if that's where you are talking about. If you're a Discordian, Martyn's Pro Trades, 24 hours a day, outside of the hours, and Martyn's Trades during hours. All right? So there's two channels. And if you come into Discord today, if you've watched the onboarding video, I'll explain it all to you. But the video explains it all. But, all right? So hopefully that answers your question. Martyn is right again. Martyn is right again. Well, no, I'm not yet. I'm not yet, am I? I was right that crypto was going up, but I sold yesterday because I was upset about what was going on with the meeting. I recognized it was a bottom. I recognized crypto was going up. So yeah, Martyn was right again. Martyn was right again. Everybody wins. I bought in at the bottom and then it went up, but I sold because of what I heard. So Martyn was not right again. Martyn was not right again. You know, I mean, I was right to say it was the bottom, and we don't know it's the bottom yet. It could. I still think we could go lower, but I bought in at that point and thought it was a good point, and it could go up from here, and it has gone up from here quite a bit, and I could be making a lot of money right now, and I'm very frustrated. But there's nothing I can do about it now, I'm afraid. I will not buy into a pump. I never do that. If I do that, I've broken all my standards and I've just become a guesser and a gambler. And I can't do that live on air. Are we still buying SpaceX? I'm still all in, 881,000. At this range, SpaceX is a good buy right now. XRP song, Martyn. Do you want it? Yeah. XRP. There it is. What price are you? Buy orders for? I can't show that on the screen. You're a non-member. We have a very exclusive Discord community and a YouTube Electrum community where we share all our trades. We don't do it live on the screen. We don't do it on here unless I'm trading live and you see me do it. But no, I don't do that live on the screen. Oh, hello. What's this? Here we go. So Flair is in.
At Craig Carter 98 tipped 20 Canadian dollars through Super Chat. FRL. For your rundown, good luck tomorrow SPCX.
FLR is in. It's replacing that one there. There you go. So Flair is now in. Let me add that to the Flair bottom screen. Yes, done. I'm going to move it to the crypto section, which wants to be there. There we go. There is Flair. That's been added. One has been taken out and one has been added in. Let me just amend my screen, make sure it's ready for tomorrow, because if it's not in the right place, you won't see it. That goes there. There we go. We've taken one out and we've added one in. So there is Flair. Every morning you will see Flair on the show. It promotes the asset. It's on our main screen. We've had I think, is it 4 million views? 5 million views over the last, let me go and check. I think, so a lot of people will see Flair now. Let me go and tell you how many people have actually seen our content. So it does promote the asset. Oh, I'm bleeding now, folks. I'm bleeding now. Ay, ay, ay. I still know I'm doing the right thing. It's just tough. When I could have made money in the meantime with Coca-Cola and crypto. Could have won really big there. But anyway, there we go. Could have gone the other way, right? So what do you know? What do you know? What was I going to do then? My brain's gone fuzzy. Oh yeah, that's right. I was going to tell you how many views we've had. That's right. Analytics. Come on. Views. Right, views lifetime. Here we go. We have had, holy moly. Do you want to know how many views we've had? This is what, right, listen to this, folks. This is what it does when you do a $20 super chat, right? Your stock for $20, guess how many views we've had in 5 years? Can anyone guess in the chat how many views your asset could get by putting it on the screen like that? Your favorite asset. $20, I should increase the price. Guess how many views we've had in 5 years? Can anyone guess? Go on, guess right now. How many views in 5 years have we had on the channel? And now Bitcoin, Flare, XRP, and Ethereum are going to be on it every day. Whoops, refresh that. Guess how many views? You're going to fall over when I tell you. Oh no, look at it. 10 million. Wow, 10 million would be a big number, right? 10 million would be a big number. Flipping heck, 10 million views? Wow, 10 million views. SpaceX, please. Somebody buy SpaceX quick. Oh no. 14 million. 125,000. That's a very precise number. Do you want to know? This is what $20 gets your stock. Your favorite asset gets seen by 16.8 million. God, I haven't even looked at that for ages. 16.8 million views. 16.8 million views. Bloody hell. So there you go. We've seen stocks boom by, you know, being on the show, and that's amazing. Wow. That's incredible. I can't believe that. That's nuts. That's just through the roof, isn't it? Wow, I had no idea. Wow. See? You forget. I don't look at these numbers. I just go live all the time and I forget how well I'm doing. And then I go, bloody hell, how many views have I had? Wow. That's like some countries. Anyway, so there you go. $20, you get your favorite stock on the show. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is trying to go up. I could sell some Virgin Galactic, take some profit, buy some more SpaceX. No, I wouldn't buy SpaceX here. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'm already in. I've got a really, really, really good position. Palantir, gold, Amazon, Apple, Enphase Energy, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Chevron, Tesla, McDonald's, Google, Microsoft, Meta. Oh, hello. Screen's broken. Nvidia. Oh, that's interesting. SpaceX, look. Walmart. Yeah, sell space. SPCE. I could sell. A Cushnet. It's a new one. We just added this one today. You sponsored it today. $20 on the screen every day now. Robinhood going up. Vertical Aerospace down. Archer down. I did warn everyone about this. It's only worth $1.50. Taiwan Semiconductor. Flare, a new one added today. $20 sponsor. It's on the show every day now. It's up 2.46. Bitcoin is up 1.8. Oh, I feel so bad. I could have made so much money today. It's very annoying. Very, very annoying. XRP is up. Oh, man. And it was 2% yesterday. I made $1,000 yesterday. And I made another $1,000 today. That's easy money there. Aye. Mind you, to be fair, I would not have sold it though. So I would not have made that money because I would not have sold it. And I would not have bought SpaceX with it either. So there you go. Need to adjust the cost for foreign currency. They just got a deal on that $20 super chat. Oh, yeah, they just got a deal. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you're right, Brandon. But we just keep it simple, right? On those views, does it say what the average watch time is? The average watch time, I know what my average watch time is for my viewers. Yes, average just over 4 hours a day. My live viewers, my members, watch on average 4 hours a day, which makes sense. I'm live for 12. So that makes perfect sense. The average video, well, that depends whether it's a short video, a 30-second short, a 4-hour show, it depends. Most of my videos are like about 60% watch time. They're about like a half an hour video is like about 17 minutes. I mean, I do really well. My watch time is through the roof. I don't think anyone beats me on watch time. But anyway, there you go. All comes back up. Yeah, sell space. Coca-Cola is now over 90. No, is it? Oh, no. No. Oh. It's going to 106, but I can't buy on the pump. It's a rule I stick to. That rule has made me the money I've made. Everyone who loses money, everyone who says I've not made the sort of money that you've made, they all do it wrong. They buy the pump. And if I do that today, I join everybody who does that. I have made the money I've made by buying when it goes down, when nobody wants it, not when it goes up, and I identify great businesses. If I buy this today, I join every retail gambler and guesser there is. I can't say I'm better than anyone. Nothing clever about doing that. So I'm not going to do that. If I do that, I'm no better than anyone else, and I try to aspire to be better. Oh, hang on. Diesel Raider, please add TPL. Which, okay.
At Diesel_Raider tipped $19.99 through Super Chat. Plaza add TPL.
All right. Let me see which one needs to be recycled. Which one is going to go? Which one's going to go? Okay, this one can go. Texas Pacific Land is in the house. Great, great choice. I will tell you that. Let me add that. TPL is in the house now every day. So let me amend it. Let me take out McDonald's. McDonald's is going. McDonald's is going, and TPL will go right next to oil because it makes sense. There we go. Thank you, Diesel Raider. That's now on the show. Oh, we're starting to come up now. Let's have a little look. So there we go. Texas Pacific Land. It will make its way into our news reports and the newsletter. It's now on the show every day. We'll keep an eye on it. Very interesting one, this. 29% year to date. Yeah, this is the one where I told you it's the best business you can own, really. You basically own Texas, and basically everything will rent space there. It's great. It's really great. I don't know why I don't buy it. I do own it when I own the S&P. That's how I own it, when I own the S&P. 1.6 million watching for hours is 1.6 million watching for hours is amazing. Thank you, Hayseed. SpaceX trying to bounce back. Next best space long entry at 120. I'm an XRP, H-bar and Flare. Congratulations to you. Buy one share of Rocket Lab. Buy one share of Rocket Lab. Martyn, how come you don't snack on the show? How come? Well, how unprofessional would that be? Sitting here eating dinner. That's why. I've seen YouTubers do that. It's like, I've seen people do it. I mean, YouTubers with headphones, baseball caps, headphones, eating a sandwich. I mean, we try to make this like a TV show. I built a TV studio, the best quality cameras, moving around, best sound. Literally, we try to do the best. I've got spotlights on the where is it? Just down there. How do I get to that? How do I point to that? The silver plaque. We try to provide the best quality service. So if I'm sat here eating a sandwich, I mean, it'd be great, wouldn't it? I'll just chill out. I'll put my feet up. I could lean back in my chair, drink a beer, eat a sandwich. I mean, it'd be great. It'd be great. What a life that would be. Just sit here and eat and just... I just think you deserve better than that. I get up out in the morning. I mean, I shaved my head again yesterday. Look, I got my special haircut for the millionaire. I shirt ironed, right? Suit and tie, shaved, right? And then I'm going to sit and eat a sandwich. I don't know. Put in the chat, do you think I should be eating on the show? It'd be nice. I'd enjoy it. I get hungry. Yeah, of course I do. Should I do a poll? Should I do a poll? Start a poll. Should I eat on the show? On the show. All right, there you go. What do you think? Should I eat on the show? All right. Maybe I'll do super chats for food. Every time someone gives me a super chat, I bite into a sandwich. That's mental. Here, Martyn, time to eat. Sandwich, cheese sandwich. It's an interesting concept. How about that for an idea? How about that for an idea? Should I have a cheese sandwich at the side here on my table, and every time I get a $5 super chat, I take a bite of my sandwich? That's a different sort of show, isn't it? Something new, isn't it? Martyn Lucas Investor eats cheese sandwiches. I mean, you know, could do it. I mean, you know, it's the sort of thing I could do. Get through today, Martyn, and we could be laughing tomorrow. I agree. SPCE could be a good buy here, as it will likely catch buys along with the SpaceX bounce. It will come. Well, I've got a good position. I'm fully allocated on it. I'm happy with my position. Let's have a look at space. Let's have a look at Virgin Galactic. Let's put Virgin Galactic on the screen. Somebody wants to see it. Let's promote Virgin Galactic. Up 3.21. Sorry, up 0.47. I've got $10,500. I'm making money. How much am I up now? $683. So I'm making some money on Virgin Galactic. I'm happy with that. What's crypto doing? Oh, Flare. This is a sponsored one today. Sponsored this space. Flare. Actually, I've got an idea. I wonder if I can do this. Let's see if this works. This is how good AI is now, right? Right. Create me a sponsor this space image. It needs to be transparent, a PNG file. That's transparent. Sponsor this space. $20. Let's see what ChatGPT does. Let's see if it makes me a transparent image, sponsored this space, and then let's see if I can just live show, drag it on to the scene, and it can live on the scene. This could be funny. We could have people sponsoring the show, like just the viewers, not corporations. I turn them down, but you could actually do it. That'd be funny. Let's see if this works. Let's see if I can just say it, drag it in it. Amazing. Today, what you can do, it's nuts, isn't it? Really, if you think about it, how it's all progressed, isn't it? It's bonkers. It's bonkers. So easy today. I've still got to sit here and do all the research. I've still got to do all the work, show up. I mean, there are people making AI channels now, and YouTube are banning them everywhere. People just make AI channels, just doing nothing. Right, it says 92% polishing details. This is new. ChatGPT's now got a percentage countdown. I like that. So you get an idea where you are. But it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really count because it kind of changes and slows down anyway. So it's not like it goes at the same pace all the way through. 96% adding final touches. Oh, what's it going to do? 97%. One last tweak, it says. This will be good. 883. Come on. Let's look at crypto. What's it doing? Oh, no. Look at this. Bitcoin's up 2% now. XRP's up nearly 2%. Oh, Martyn, you're losing money now. Ethereum. I had all the Flare. Oh, man. Sponsor this space. $20. Right. You ready? Look at this. Let's see what happens. Let me click on the link. Oh my God, it looks amazing. It's in transparent. Right, ready? Drag this over here, over all these different screens, up to here, up to here. Can I drop it there? Oh, look at that. Look at that, everybody. Look at that. What do you think of that? Where should I put it? Look at that, everybody. Is that good or what? Does that actually show on the telly? Can you see that? That is crazy, isn't it? Isn't that crazy? How cool is that? I could have people's names. Sponsor this space, $20. There you go. That is brilliant, isn't it? I love it. Technology's brilliant, isn't it? Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing, that is. There you go. Sponsor this space so you get your favourite stock. Look at that. I just said it. And it did it. Sponsor this space, $20. That's brilliant. Kick somebody else out and then I just keep changing them. I just keep changing the stocks. Does it go away? Yeah, it goes away. Look, it's just on that scene. It's just there, look, on that scene. That's absolutely brilliant. That's absolutely brilliant. Wow, that's crazy. Just speak to it. That's amazing. SpaceX just repositioned tomorrow. Yes, it is. Slick. Stick to your rules. No FOMO. That's right. Don't worry. It will drop tomorrow because SpaceX will run and FOMO will kick in and it will pull it out of Coca-Cola. That's it. There's no interest in Bitcoin higher up in order book. So this is crap and it will fall again. It's on the edge of a 50 EMA cloud and feeling the resistance. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Sponsor this space. Look at that. That's great, that. I like that. I get excited with life, you know. Why not? If you can't live in exciting times, what's the point? Right, Flare. Bitcoin. Don't do the FOMO. Don't do the FOMO, Martyn. Definitely not doing it now. If I could resist it from earlier, I'm definitely resisting it now, right? I mean, that's bloody obvious, isn't it? Anyway. Green tea and electrolytes have put Martyn Lucas on the wrong side of the assets today. That's right. That's bloody right, Dalish. Get rid of McDonald's. It's gone. McDonald's is gone. Yours, TPL came in. Martyn, take a break. Go for a walk. Relax so you are in shape for tomorrow. No point beating yourself up for the rest of the day. You're right there, mate. What is TPL? Texas Pacific Land. You want to know about it? Now you'll know about it every day. SPCE, breakout on deck. Breakout on deck. Let's have a look. Here we go. Sponsor this space. You can put your favorite stock here. Seen by 16.8 million people. Wow, that's a statement to make. And I just shared it with you. Sponsor this space, $20. Seen by 16.8 million people. How about it? How about it? So Virgin Galactic, it is rallying a little bit now. That's nice. SpaceX is coming back. Oh, come on. What's crypto doing now? Crypto is still going up. Flare's going up. You sponsored it. This got sponsored today. Bitcoin gone up. XRP gone up. Oh, I love it. I love it. Martyn reminds me of Mr. Wonderful with the shorts. Mr. Wonderful? Yeah. Mr. Kevin O'Reilly. Martyn, get some IQM. Get some IQM. What's that then? Martyn is proper English, mate. You're just a world piano man. Feel free to eat on your show. You're just a world piano man. Feel free to eat on your show. We don't want you to leave. What did the poll say? What did the poll say? Did you say I should eat on my show so I could just stay here? No. 52% say no. It's not professional, is it? I'm trying to put on a professional show here. I mean, is it right? Is it right to sit here just eating bloody fish and chips? And imagine all the mess I get all over the studio. Flipping, that could be a right bloody mess, wouldn't it? No eating. No. What kind of sandwich? Well, I guess. Does it matter what sandwich it is then, does it? Does it matter what sandwich it is? Definitely make it a mukbang financial channel. A mukbang? Definitely make it a mukbang finance. What does that mean? What's that mean? Eat some English breakfast. Bitcoin is going up. I know. Yeah, we're all sick of it. Yes, I know. It's really doing me head in. Bitcoin's going up. Yeah. XRP going up. Yeah. Do it, Martyn. Make show better for you. Do it, Martyn. Well, yeah, it'd be nice. Yeah, I mean, if you just go through life going, what do I want to do? What's good for me? Oh, I just want to sit here. I put my feet up in my pants. Don't bother putting a shirt and tie on. Sit back and relax. Drink a beer. Eat a burger. I mean, What a life to live. What a way to live that would be. I mean, that would be quite good, wouldn't it? What a way to live your life. Just sit here, eat burgers, drink beer, feet up, back massage. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I don't know why I just don't do that then. Yeah, flipping never. Yeah. Do it, Martyn. Make your show, but flipping never. A treat. Doesn't bother me. We're all human. Drop a whiskey maybe, but not food. No eating in the studio. Yeah, you should smoke cigars during the show. Yes. Sit here with I don't even smoke. That would be weird. You could call it Munchy Mondays. Only if it's space food. Dinners with Martyn. YouTubers sit eating bowls of noodles and all sorts. Can't stand it. Turn your camera off. Yeah, it's ridiculous. I agree. Got some blood. I mean, yeah, you probably have a long shorts. Yeah, I've got shorts on again this morning. It'll go your way. It'll go your way, Martyn. It's just teasing you. Just course. Keep the course, soldier. Or live cooking. Do a bong on it. It's no professional, right? Yeah. One super chat, one burger. Bombay mix. How about a donut? 1.6 million. Profit is profit. Yeah, Martyn, eat on the show. Try a light snack. A biscuit plus a cup of tea goes a long way. Bitcoin, 65,000. Stop it. Stop it. It's doing me head in now. Doing me head in. What? What's going on? Oh, bloody hell. Yeah. Just realised how far behind I am. 2x now to catch up. If you eat sandwiches live on TV, can Sense eat hot dogs or sushi? Lovely, mate. Yeah, crazy Martyn. No eating. Stay professional. There you go. Tim Rogers. No eating. Yeah, you can't sit here just eating your dinner. I mean, that's just... How do you think SpaceX will go before the climb tomorrow? I don't know. Oh, no. Look at it. Oh, for God's sake. I cannot believe it. Oh, you know what I need? I need Tim Rogers to call in. Oh, Virgin Galactic's going up. Oh, Virgin Galactic's going up. Come on, that makes me feel a bit better. That makes me feel a bit better. Come on, SpaceX, come on. I just sold out of crypto because of Brad bloody stupid Garlinghouse. I said to Sensei, why does everyone get so excited about Brad Garlinghouse? Brad Garlinghouse, can't wait for Brad He's bloody rubbish. He's absolutely boring. He comes on, he just sits there, he wears a pair of old trainers, doesn't even wear a nice pair of shoes. He never gets a good spot. He rattles on, he doesn't say anything exciting, and everyone gets excited like bloody God's showed up. Oh, Brad Garlinghouse. Oh, he's going to speak. He's not a speaker. He's absolutely rubbish. He's not bloody Jensen Wong. He's not Elon Musk. He's not Alex Karp. He's not Tim Cook. He's not anybody. He's absolutely rubbish. And I mean, yesterday, not being funny, folks, just so you know, get full clarification here. Yesterday, during all of this nonsense, the TV station that was broadcasting the XRP event had about 25 people watching it. We were number one XRP live. If you incognito, so you don't cheat, XRP live, incognito, we were number one in the world yesterday. The most watched channel in the world yesterday for XRP live. Not my name, incognito, so you can't cheat. All right? We were number one yesterday in the world. Okay? And, which is pretty good. I don't know why I just told you that. I just did. Anyway, Brad Garlinghouse is just rubbish. I mean, because of him, I said, you know what? I'm out of this. He sat there, he was swearing, he was cursing, he was telling other people they're rubbish. Hang on a minute. I do that all the time. Yeah, I do it all the time. And I'm the CEO of Martyn Lucas, so yeah, maybe I'm the same. I'm rubbish as well. I don't swear though. Oh God. I really, really, really thought yesterday was a good time to buy crypto. I was spot on. All my instincts told me to buy it. I bought it. I bought it big as well. I put 45 grand in crypto yesterday. And then I sold because of Brad's stupid gardening house. And now look. Look at that. Bloody knew it. Bloody knew it. Anyway, enough of this bloody nonsense. I knew I should have. And I don't know. What did I know? Martyn, you win them all. No Discord. Yeah, Discord 20 minutes. Always. What do you mean no Discord today? What do you mean no Discord today? Discord. Yeah, he just sits there and he's a honest to God, what a pain in the bloody arse. Absolute waste of bloody space. Let's go to Discord. Sorry, you've not answered the questions correctly. By saying you truly understand doesn't mean anything, and your time is about to run out, and unfortunately, you will not be able to join Discord. Unbelievable. People try and scam me. Unbelievable. Right. Let's go to Discord. Let's get set. Let's get set. I don't know why people try to scam me all the time. Like, what a waste of time it is. Right. So I'm just checking Discord application. I've just banned somebody else for not taking the time. I mean, we can't let people into Discord. We got a really great community. I can't just let you in because I can get $2 out of you, and then you can run around Discord talking nonsense. That's ruined it for everyone. I've got to protect 1,051 paid pro members. Right. So let me set up the event on Discord. It's a pro event, Stage Channel pro event. 24 hours to go. Yeah. 10 a.m. Drop it in. Upload cover image. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, drop that in there. Create event. It'll be live in 15 minutes. Copy the link. Give it to everybody on the announcement channel. So make sure that you follow that. At everybody. Who wants it? Everybody does. Everyone. There you go. Oops. Live now. Live now. Oops. Live now. There you go. Send the event to there. Okie dokie. Right, there's that. Now what I do is, you know what comes next? How professional is this? No one does this. I've checked it. No one does this, right? So Bloomberg play you the same old rubbish every bloody night, over and over and over and over again, over and over and over and over again. Same thing, going to Bloomberg every night. Well, and that's Bloomberg with millions and billions and trillions of dollars, right? That's what they do. What we do is we restream what you just missed so it's relevant and real. And it's in the extra channel, which is going to be bigger than the main channel. Did you know that? It'll be bigger than this channel, easily. So let me show you how it works. There is the extra. I'll put it in here now. Live now on extra. Now, why is this channel going to be bigger than the main channel? Because it's live 24 hours a day. It only stops a few minutes at the weekend to reset the computer. It goes out to every country of the world, multiple languages, and people watch at different times. Now, they want to watch the live show. They want to watch what they just missed. We've got a guy in there now watching. Look at this. He's from Norway, this guy here. Different time zone. He's watching. Look at this. Whoops, how do I get to it? Hey. There you go. Swanganess. He's from Norway. Norwegian kroner. He is watching from Norway. And what he wants to do, this is why people join it, they want to watch what they just missed live. Now, you could watch this as a restream, past live streams. You can watch this, but there's no live chat. You can't talk to anybody. No one's commenting to what they're seeing. So what we do is we restream this. So you're now going to see what you just missed. So I'm now going to replace this one from yesterday with this one now, and people are going to leave this show. Those that missed the beginning, watch it, and you watch how many people jump in. It's more now than watch this show. It's amazing. And it starts to go in different countries, different languages. It's amazing. For those of you that are on Discord, they'll join in Discord in a minute, in 15 minutes. But we all go there. You click on the link, or you can go automatically when this ends. So watch. I go over to here. This is the, over here is the extra channel. So I've got another computer over here. You can see me doing it. So what I do is I have to click escape, refresh the screen. It brings up the new video that I'm just putting in, right? Bloomberg should do this, but they don't because they're flipping lazy, right? Scroll, what happened there? Hang on, I broke it. Oh, what's going on? That's not what I want. I'm making a right mess of it. Playlist. Oh. What's happened? Last video added. There we go. Extra channel restream. View full playlist. That's better. It stopped working there for a minute. Play all. Right. There you go. Play all. Take it to the beginning. That's that one there. Well, that's not weird at all. They've changed how it looks. All right. There you go. Back to the beginning. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. There you go. Right. Done. That was, they've changed. YouTube are always bloody changing things. Right. It's good because they make it better, but you never know what's coming next. Right. So you can see I'm changing it now. See, I'm changing it. So as it comes to an end, as we come to an end, you can click on the link at the top, pinned, or automatically, and you can chat to people live in there watching what you just missed. If you just tuned halfway through and thought, I missed the beginning, you can see it. Good, isn't it? There you go. Right. I'm going over to Discord now, or I'll see you on Extra. And on Extra, I see it runs in the studio 24/7. So I'm always popping in, saying hello, answering questions and stuff like that. Now, you can watch for free, listen for free. But if you want to chat, it's a 99-cent membership. Now, why do I charge a membership? Because it keeps the bots and the trolls out. If I didn't have that and anyone could chat, because it's 24/7, you'd have people just going Bitcoin, 5 million times throughout the night. So it's 99 cents. All right. I don't make any apologies for that. And you get a 24-hour stream of all the stuff you've missed, live chat with all your friends. And there it is. I'll see the rest of you on Discord. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.